In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest strategy that you can start using every single day without following any price action, any Fibonacci retracements. Literally, the only thing you're going to do is follow buy and sell signals directly on your chart, and it's going to help you get anywhere between a 60 to 70% win rate. This is the same strategy that's helped me make profitable income every single month, the one that helped me afford my lifestyle. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys right now. Let's get into the video. All right, let's get into the strategy. This is by far the most simple strategy that you can use with Elite Algo in order to become a profitable trader. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it right now. So this is what we want to do. We want to go on TradingView and indicate. We want to go on TradingView and then turn on this indicator that we see right here, ES Prem. This is Elite Algo on TradingView. To do that, simply go to Indicators, Invite Only Scripts, then click on ES Prem. If you don't have access to the indicator right here, simply what you want to do is simply go on our website right here, sign up $1 for 10 days access. Once you sign up, you're going to get access to the indicators I'm going to show you guys in this video, as well as every single signal opportunity that we give in our Discord server every single day for crypto, Forex, futures, stocks, and stock options. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and show you guys the strategy. It's extremely simple, guys. This is what we want to do. We want to go into the settings. We want to click trending signals only to make sure to turn that on. And then we're going to take the sensitivity here and we're going to have anywhere between a 3 and a 5. For this example, I'm going to have it as 4. And then over here, I'm going to make sure there's 0. Normally, it's usually 1. That's it. That's the strategy. Next, guys, what we're going to do is we're simply going to go ahead and turn on the take profit stop loss levels recommendation. So right over here, enable TP-SL recommendation. And then that's it. Now, all we want to do is simply follow the signals that we see on our charts. That's it. So what do I mean by this? We have a buy signal here, right? We take the buy signal, we exit once we hit TP, as we can see. If we get a sell signal like this, then we simply take the sell signal. If we see it hits TP, that's it. That's a good trade. This sell signal hit take profit. This buy signal did not. So this would be a loser. Guys, it's normal to lose. You're not going to win every single trade, right? The best traders in the world are hitting 55, 60, 65, 70% win rates. There's no such thing as a 100% win rate when you're trading anything. This buy signal, we can see it hit take profit 2 and 3, right? It's very simple, guys. Look at this. Buy signal, hit take profit. Sell signal, hit take profit. This buy was a loss. This sell was a loss. Very normal. This one also was a loss. But the thing about this signal here, this is a signal I would avoid as well. Why would I avoid it? Because it was a huge move. If you see a signal like this where it's completely big, you want to not take it. So X, right? We want smaller candles like this one. Sorry, like that one. All you got to do really is just adjust the signals according to the chart you're trading, anywhere between a 3 and a 5. And that's pretty much how you trade this strategy. It's extremely simple. You can make it even better if you like by simply going into here and adding some overlays. But for the sake of this video, this is the simplest strategy that you can follow with Elite Algo and get anywhere between a 50 and 70% win rate in your trading. And this is calculated over a course of 100 trades, not 5 trades. So if you take 5 trades and let's say, for example, you lost 3 of them, that does not mean you have a bad strategy. You have to trade at least 100 times in order to understand if this is a good strategy or bad strategy. And that's very important. I see a lot of you guys quitting too early, for example, and that's not really a good thing, guys. And you guys can use the same exact strategy right here on Chart Labs if you like. Let me turn off this for a second. And you can use it right over here if you like. Simply just go to Indicators, Elite, click Elite Algo version 35. That's our newest one. And you can use the same exact strategy that I just showed you here on TradingView. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a good day. If you have any comments, comment down below right now. I answer every single comment in the video. Make sure that you guys fully understand how you guys use Elite Algo in order to be successful day traders yourselves. And if you guys want to join the Discord community, go ahead. I'm going to leave a link in the Discord down below. You get access to all our signals every single day that we're trading. For example, this week alone, we had trades for crypto, stocks, futures, Forex, and we had an overall win rate of 69% and an overall gain of 337% this week alone. And you guys get access to that. It's included in your membership. So have yourself a good day.